Hello everyone. Let's explore how to enable the fraud prevention feature in Afflr to block self-referrals via email. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and then open the Afflr app. Once you're on the Afflr dashboard, head over to the Settings section by selecting the button located at the top of the dashboard. After reaching the Settings page, scroll down a bit under the General section. You'll find the Fraud Prevention section here. Click on the drop-down next to it to access the Block Self-Referral via Email option. Enabling this feature will prevent commissions from being granted if both the customer and the affiliate use the same email address. To enable this feature, simply toggle the button next to it. The Block Self-Referral via Email feature is now active in your Afflr app. I hope this guide was helpful. Thanks for watching.